Greetings everyone. With distance teaching, a lot more teachers are using media in their classrooms, and therefore I'm going to show you in this video how you can upload a video to YouTube, timestamp it, and how you can set the parameters so that it can be public or it can be a private video so that only your students have access to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a video to my YouTube channel. And obviously I'm going to start by going to YouTube. And the channel shows up, and of course there's videos they want me to watch. And first thing I'm going to do is go to this top right icon, and if I have a Gmail account or any sort of Google account, you'll already have a YouTube account that is associated with it. So what I'm going to do is make sure I'm logged into my whatever account I want to use, and then I can simply add a YouTube video by clicking on the camera icon with the plus sign, and I'm going to upload the video. Now, there's a few ways I can go about this. I can just drag and drop my video into here, or I can select the files. And since I already have my video up, I am going to just drag and drop it. So this is a video that I created earlier on how to use slide templates in Google. And so I'm going to take that and I'm going to drag it into here. And it's starting to upload it. And I want to give this a title, how to, and we're going to do slide templates by CTE Teach, and this is an overview of slide templates for presenting. Okay, and I want to give a description about this video. In this video we demonstrate how to incorporate slide templates from Slides Carnival and Slides Go into your presentation. And then I can just do like topics include. And so what's really cool about this is you can timestamp your videos, and it's really simple to do. So for me, I'm going to start, I'm going to open up my video here. I'm going to kind of move this over. And this is my video that I want to, that I'm uploading and I want to use in here. So I can kind of see, you know, it's playing in my player. This is the introduction. And the first thing I want to do is add the timestamp. So go back in here. I'm talking about Google and how to do that. So I can see at the 40-second mark, I start talking about Slides Carnival. So I'm just going to type in 00:0, and I'll say that was Slides Carnival. And I'll enter and I'll do the next one. Now for me, I use the VLC player because what that does is if you hit your arrow key left or right, it will automatically skip forward or backwards 10 seconds. So if I've got a really long video that I'm doing, I can really just kind of start scrubbing through it really fast. So I can see at the 107 mark, I'm starting to talk about Slides Go. Enter the next one. All right, so that's the end of the video. So now I know that this is the timestamps of these videos. I'm going to put my own little Twitter handle stuff at the bottom. And the nice thing about putting videos into YouTube is if you do a link that has like the HTTPS, it will, once this goes live, it'll actually make that an actual link. So another thing that YouTube does is you can choose the thumbnail of what you want your video to look like. So as people are scrolling, they can see, you know, what the thumbnail is. I personally like to create my own. That makes it look a little bit more inviting and attractive. And as you can see, after my video's been uploaded, YouTube's kind of picked some random images, but I'm going to make my own. And so the way I'm going to do that, so I'm going to click on my video here. And there's my title. I'm going to go ahead and pause it. And I'm going to open up another program called the Snip and Sketch program. and I'm going to do a new snip. And the way I just do that is click new. I'm going to choose it here, like that. Went ahead and snipped that from my video. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to call this one How to Do a Presentation Template. This doesn't really matter. This is just for me. People won't see that. And then I'm going to go ahead and close that. And then now I can upload that as my image. So there it is there. It's already in my, already was pointed at my folder. So we're going to open that. So now this will be the thumbnail of what I decide to use. And then, so after that, I want to choose, I personally have playlists set up. I'm choosing that playlist for it. No, this is not made for kids. It's not a cartoon or anything. And then here's some other things. You can add age restrictions or whatnot to it. And me, I'm going to add more options. I personally like to add tags in. So we're going to say, here's one about CTE. If you put a comma after it, it'll make it its own tag. I'm going to do ROP, CTE teach, distance teaching, distance learning, Google Slides, PowerPoint. I'm really just trying to think of anything that this video might incorporate. And so as people are searching for these things, this will come up. And you can, these are another options. Obviously it's in English, and closed captions. We're going to get to closed captions in a little bit here. You can upload closed captions, recording date. If you want to add when all that stuff is, you could do that as well. And so I'm going to go back and do the closed captions in a minute here. So we click next. And then now this is just if I wanted to add some of those things at the end of my video, you know, that has. So I'm going to go ahead and add this one. This is one I typically use. And so what it does is it incorporates my channel. People can click on that. They can click on a playlist. I can allow it to choose a video that best fits what they're looking for. And I can even make this a specific video. I'll go ahead and change this one. Right now it's my how to do a Zoom meeting video. I'm going to change it to, you know, how to do a Google Slides and backgrounds, since it's pretty similar to what this video is. Then I'll go ahead and save that. And then go ahead and click next. And now this is where you can decide if you wanted to have a private, public, or unlisted video. So what this is private means only you and people you choose can watch the video. So maybe people who are your friends or people you've allowed to follow you and vice versa, they can watch your video. Unlisted means that it doesn't show up anywhere at all unless you have the link. So here's the video link to that. You can give people the video link, and if they have the link, they can watch the video. Or you can just make it public, which means anybody can search for it. And so for our purposes, for CTE Teach, we want it to be public just so anybody who is a teacher has access to these resources. But again, if you're a teacher, you just want to give a video to a specific student or to your students in your Google Classroom, you can just click Unlisted, and then that way they can only see it if they have this link. So I'm choosing public, and schedule just means, do I want it to go out at a specific time on a specific date? Let's say I did record a video and I don't want it to air till like next Monday. I could certainly choose that. I can pick the date and the time that it airs, but for me, I'm just going to have it go ahead and publicly show right away. So I go ahead and click publish. And that's it. So now once my video has been published and uploaded, I can click on the link and I can paste it in an email or whatnot, or if I have my Twitter and stuff already set up, I can just click on that and it'll automatically send it to all my accounts as well. So that is that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other how-to videos, including how to do a Zoom meeting, how to set up Google presentations, and how to do closed captioning on your YouTube videos. So again, thanks for watching. Best of luck teaching, and we'll see you here next time on the CTE Teach channel.